Yes.
What are we going to do the day about the game?
Friday. Friday. Friday day.
Like, where we going to go? Netflix.
No.
Oh, no, not that. Netflix is school version.
Alright. Multiplying, dividing rational expressions. What we found out first period is I forgot how to write and spell and math over Christmas break. So watch closely because I'm going to mess up like 15 times. Maybe not. Maybe I won't mess up too much in this class. Maybe I'm just warming up. And so like first period was a warm up and now it's like the real show right now. I don't know. But I couldn't. I got a coffee maker, so I'm already on like cup 3. Okay, so yeah, it's awesome. It's hiding behind my desk. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, let's just remember how to multiply and divide fractions. Okay, let's remember that because we're gonna be multiplying and dividing fractions, but they're gonna be expressions that have variables and plus signs and minus signs and powers, and they're going to be factors and stuff like that. So let's baby steps. Let's chunk it up, okay? Let's start with like, I don't know, 2/5 times 3/4. Remember how to do that? No, no one remembers.
I haven't picked up a pencil since.
Yeah. What are those shapes? Those are called numbers, okay? Yeah, and they represent amounts of things. Yeah, it's awesome, okay? And because there's this line in the middle, they represent part of something. So something was divided into 5 pieces, and we have 2 of them, and something else was divided into 4 pieces, and we have 3 of them. We'd like to multiply those numbers together, okay? I know, right? Actually, what this actually represents is that we had 5 of something, but now we just have 2 of it. But we'd like to divide it into 4 equal pieces and take 3 of them. That's what that actually means. Multiplying fractions, yeah. So, anywho, alright. Yeah. You win. So, we want to multiply. Remember when we multiply fractions, you can go straight across or straight across, depending on where you are, okay? I don't know. So, we're going to do 2 times 3, 5 times 4. That's what would happen. Except, does anybody realize what's happening right here? Yeah, it's a factor. We can cancel, okay? 2 goes into 2 how many times? And 2 goes into 4 how many times? 1. Now, and that actually lowers our chances of having to reduce later. Remember, you always have to reduce your fractions, reduce. Alright, so 1 times 3, and 5 times 2, 10. There you go. 3 10. Okay.
Even at this one, is there like a trick to it?
That's the trick.
Level 1.
Level 1.
I say there's going to be like 4 more new steps in the next process.
Level 1 is good. I like level 1.
Okay. Do you remember how to divide? You're a caveman? Alright. 1/4 divided by 1/2. Remember how to divide fractions? Yes? You do? What do you do? Not the opposite reciprocal. What's the reciprocal? No. No, you don't. That's something else. Yeah.
You done goose?
Yeah. You just, what do? You just flip and multiply.
Hey.
Get it? You see what I did there?
Just flip and multiply.
You flip and multiply. Yeah, see that? See that? You flip and multiply. Flip the second one. Don't touch the first one. Don't touch it.
I'm screwing
Don't touch
that.
it. The second one, flip it and multiply. Okay? So, and again, I picked these numbers because look. And you get 1. It's 1 times 1, 2 times 1. So that's
Did you have anybody in attendance?
I didn't even show up. I was like, who's going to come to degree on the first day? Not me.
I'm
I'm not here. Anyway. Okay, so,
Great.
yeah. Everyone's gonna show up like week 7. What can I do? What can I do to bring up a 33? What? Alright, now it's your turn. Now it's your turn. It's not gonna get.
Level 3. Everyone on the ones that we.
Alright, try those 4. So on A, anything cancel? 3 and 21. So that's going to be 4 over 49. Right? Okay. On B, I'm going to do these 2 first. Does anything cancel on those? No. Okay. If you wanted to, I guess you could go ahead and cancel those. So I'm going to have 2 over 3 times 1 over 3, which would be 2 over 9. Otherwise, you'd have like 2 over 10 times 5 over 3, which, not 10, sorry, 15, which that would become a 3, and that would become a 1, and you'd still come up with 2 9s. Alright, on C, 1/8, we can multiply, times 4/3. I'm going to have 1/6. On B, I'm going to start out with 6/7 times 3/4. So that can be a 3 and that can be a 2, which will leave me with 9 over 14. Flip this and multiply. Times 9 over 5. Does anything cancel? No? So what's that? 81 over 6. Where are you? 81 over 6. Okay.
Okay, I'm saying those are seconds.
Like, you just leave that one for the last one.
You can do it all at once. Alright, I'm going to just add a little bit of variables in there. Just a little bit. Not addition or subtraction, like just a couple of variables. Okay. Alright. We can still cancel. We can still cancel out numbers and variables diagonally. So the 5 and the 10 could be a 1, that could be a 2. What about the x's? This x can cancel out with this. How many x's will it leave? 2. Okay. This 2y can be completely gone. The 8's going to become a 4. How about this y to the third? Yes, exactly. Alright, so I'm going to have x squared times 4y squared. It's going to be 4x squared y squared over 2. Does that reduce further? Yep, because 4 can be divided by 2, right? Not too bad, right?
They say so.
Sounds very convincing. that one by yourself. Alright. What cancels out here? The ands cancel. Okay. What happens to 3? Can I cancel those out? Yeah. If I don't cancel them out, then what do I have to do to my answer? You have to reduce your answer. You'll end up with like, what, 6 over 15, both divisible by 3. So you have to reduce your answer. So I'm going to end up with 2 m squared n squared over 5. Okay, great.
No.
Alright. Taking it to the next level.
Double substitute.
We're going better.
Okay. So this is already factored for you. Does anything cancel out? X plus 1. Yeah, that's 1 times x plus 3, which is just going to be x plus 3. What's 2 times x minus 4? You can actually leave it, if you wanted to, this would be okay. Either one of those. I'll take either one. Okay. What's gonna happen there? Anything cancel now? No, nothing cancels. Have 2 times x plus 1 squared. It's going to be, if you multiply it out, it's x squared minus x minus 12. If you multiply at the top, it's if you multiply the top. Yeah, because I think if anything's going to cancel out, it would have already canceled out. Alright, I'm going to make one that's really ugly. I'm going to turn you loose on it. Yes.
I don't know how to
X plus 1 times x plus 1.
Oh.
Alright.
Listen and write.
I'm just saying. numerator over factor 2? X plus 2, x minus 2. What does this denominator factor do? What cancels? X minus 2's cancel. Anything else? Yeah. One. Everything cancels. Would it be awesome if I wasn't? You did that? You did that? Oh, great. Great. Okay. Okay. What is this? Okay. Do you want to flip and then factor or factor then flip? What's going to make it easier for you to remember that this has to be flipped? Flip then factor. Okay, so I'll just rewrite everything. Alright. What is this factor to? This one? X plus 1, x minus 1? This one? What is this factor to? Alright, now we get to cancel a whole bunch of stuff. Right? These cancel. These cancel. These cancel. And we're only left with plus 3. It's not a whole bunch of multiplication, it's a whole bunch of factoring and canceling. And then there's a little bit of multiplication at the end, maybe if there's some stuff left over. A lot of stuff. A lot. Look at the pages that you tore out.